Bismillah. In this video I'm going to solve Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Paper 2 October November 2021 Variant 2. Number 1. The temperature at midnight is negative 8.5. The temperature at 11 a.m. is negative 1. Work out the difference between the temperature at midnight and the temperature at 11. Difference, so subtract the greatest number minus the smallest number. So negative 1 minus negative 8.5 equal 7.5. Number 2, the stem and leaf diagram shows the age in years of age of 15 women. Complete this statement. The mode is the most common or the most repeated. So look for the numbers 1, 5, 8, 9, 1, 1. So this one repeated twice. So the mode, look for the key. 3, 1 means 31. So 4, 1 means 41. So the mode 41 because there is no number repeated twice except this one. So 41. The median, we have 15. We have odd number. So we have 1 at the middle. To find the order for this median, so n plus 1, so 15 plus 1 divided by 2. So 16 divided by 2. So the 8th value. To find the 8th value, start from the first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the 3, so 43. So the median 43. The percentage of women that are older than 51 years. Older than 51, so this 50. So 50, older than 51, so it started from 52. So we have 3 values, because 52, 53, 58, we have 3 values, 3 out of 15. So to find the percentage, 3 over 15 times 100 equals 20%. Number 3, it changed 2.15 hours into minutes. How to change hour to minutes? Multiply by 60. So 2.15 times 60 equals 129. Number 4, triangle ABC and triangle ACD are isosceles. Angle DAB equal 86. Angle ADC equal 58. Find the value of x. How to find the value of x? We have 2 isosceles triangles. This isosceles and this angle 58. So this and this one 58. Now in this triangle ACD we can find the third angle 180 minus 58 plus 58. Write the working 180 minus 58 plus 58 equals 64. Now this angle 64. But the whole angle 86. So subtract to find that one. So 86 minus 64 equals 22. So this angle is 22. Now in triangle BAC, this angle 22 and this isosceles triangle. So to find x, 180 minus 22 divided by 2. So x equal 180 minus 22 divided by 2 equals 79. So x equals 79. Angelique rents a room for a party. The cost of renting the room is $15.50 for the first hour and then $7.25 for each additional hour. She pays $95.25 in total. Work out the total number of hours she rent the room for. So the first hour for $15.50. So now 95.25 minus 1550. So what is the answer?
79.75.
79.75. 79.75. To find the number of hours, we need to divide this number, 79.75, by the cost for each hour, which is 7.25, to find the number of hours. So we subtract the first because this is different. Now we divide because each hour after the first hour, the cost 7.25. Now divide.
11.
So 11. So we have 1 hour, the first hour, for 1550, and 11 hours for 7.25. So in all, we have 11 hours plus 1 hour, 12 hours. Without using a calculator, work out 1 over 3 divide 7 over 6 plus 1 over 5. According to bid mass, do division first. So 1 over 3 divide 7 over 6. So this means 1 over 3 multiply the reciprocal for 7 over 6, which is 6 over 7. You can simplify first. 3 and 6 divide by 3 equal 1, divide by 3 equal 2. So this will be 2 over 7. Now we need to add 2 over 7 plus 1 over 5 to have same denominator. Multiply 7 by 5 and multiply 2 as well by 5. 5 by 7, 1 by 7. Now you have 10 over 35 plus 7 over 35, which is 17 over 35. Number 7. Katie has 5 white flowers, X red flowers, and 2 X plus 1 yellow flowers. She picks a flower at random. The probability that it's white, 1 over 12. Find the probability that it's yellow. Now the probability of white is 1 over 12. Probability of white equals 1 over 12. But we know that the probability of white, the number of white, which is 5, over the total number, we can say that the total number n. So 5 over n. Now, to find the total number, cross multiply 5 times 12 divided by 1. So 60 divided by 1, so 60. So now we have 60 flowers. Now we have 60 flowers in all, but the number of flowers, we have 5 white, and we have X red, and we have 2X plus 1 yellow. So if we add all, we get 60. So this means 5 plus X plus 2X plus 1 equals 60. Now solve for X. So 3X plus 6 equals 60. So 3X equal 60 minus 6, which is 54. Divide by 3, so X equals 18. So now we have 18 red flowers because X, and we have 2 times 18 plus 1, so 37 yellow. So probability of yellow equals the number of yellow, which is 37, over the total, which is 60. Number 8, calculate the fourth root for the mixed number. So use your calculator to find the answer. The answer equal 2.5. Number 9, write these values in order of size starting with the smallest. So you can write all of them in decimal form. 2.1 times 10 power negative 1 in decimal form equal 0.21. 0.2 recurring this one, this means 0.2, 2, 2, and so on. This recurring this. 22%, this means 0.22. Square root of 0.2? 0.45. 0.45 exact. We have more. The next number. So this number 447. we can write 447 to two significant figure 0.45. okay, 24 over 1000, so this is 0.024. now we can write all to three decimal places, so 0.21 we can write like that, so this 2, so we add 0. now we can arrange them, the smallest first. Which one is the smallest? We have 2, 2, 2, 4, 0. So this is the smallest one. So 24 over 1000. Next one, we have 4, we have 2, 2, 2. 2, 1 or 2, 2 or 2, 2, 2, 1. So this one, 2.1 times 10 power negative 1. Next, so we have that one and that one. So the next one, 2, 2 and 2, 2, 0. So this one, 22%. Now we have 0.2 and 0.4, so 0.2. So the recurring decimal, 0.2. And the last one, square root of 0.2. Number 10, the interior angle of a regular polygon is 156. Work out the number of sides. Just repeat it. If you have the interior angle, from the interior you can find the exterior angle. The exterior equal 180 minus the interior. 180 minus 56 equal 24. Now to find the number of sides, the sum of all exterior is 360. And for the regular, they are equal. So 360 divided 24 equals
15.
Number 11, a car starts its journey by accelerating from rest at a constant rate 0.7 meter per second square for 20 seconds. Before reaching a constant speed of 14 meter per second, it then travels at 14 meter per second for a distance to 110 meter. The car then decelerates at a constant rate 1.4 meter per second before coming to stop. On the grid, complete the speed time graph for the car's journey. So, first acceleration till 14. Now we have constant speed. So constant speed represented by a horizontal line. But we need to find the time for this constant speed. To find the time, we have the speed, the constant speed 14. And we have the total distance to 110. So to find the time, divide the distance, which is 210, by 14. So the time equal 15 seconds. So each two square represent 5. So 15 means 6 squares, because each 2 represent 5. So this is the time for constant speed. So the constant speed represented by the horizontal line from 20 till 35, because 15 seconds. So move horizontal from 20 to 35. Now decelerates at the constant rate 1.4. So the deceleration 1.4 meter per second square before coming to a stop. So if you have deceleration, the deceleration is 1.4. This means deceleration is 1.4. Now we need to find the time for deceleration. The speed is 14. So deceleration equals what? Equal velocity over time. Change of velocity over time. So the velocity 14. So 1.4 equals 14 over t. Now you can find t, which is 14 divided 1.4. So t equal 10. Just switch between t and 1.4. So t equal 10. So the car took 10 seconds for the speed to be 0. So now from 35, add 10 for 35. So now yeah, at 45 and join 45 with this point. So this is the deceleration. Number 12, the table shows the first 5 terms of sequence A, B, and C. Complete the table to show the nth term for each sequence. Sequence A, 8, 3, negative 2, negative 7, negative 12. What is the rule?
Minus 5.
Minus 5. So this means the nth term, negative 5n. Now, negative 5n plus what or minus what? You need to go one step to the back. So 3, 8, you add 5. So add 5 to 8 to 13. So 13. Or 8 minus the first term minus negative 5. 8 minus negative 5 equals 13. Sequence B, 2, 3 over 2, 4 over 3, 5 over 4, 6 over 5. We can write 2 like 2 over 1. So what is the rule? Look for the numerator. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each time add 1. For the denominator, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We add 1. So if we consider the numerator, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for the numerator, the nth term for the numerator, each time we add 1. So 1n or n. And n plus what or minus what? One step to the back. So 1 because 3, 2, then 1. So n plus 1. For the denominator, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the nth term is n. So n plus 1 over n. Now for sequence C, 1 over 2, 1, 2, 4, 8. What is the rule? Multiply 2, multiply 2, multiply 2. You multiply 2 each time. So if you multiply by the same numbers, it's called geometric sequence. Its term A r power n minus 1. A is the first term, which is half. R the number you multiply, which is 2. Power n minus 1, so power n minus 1. So half times 2 power n minus 1. Number 13, A. Write 243 multiply 27 power 2n as a single power of 3. 243, 2 power what? You can use your calculator to find the answer. Or you can factorize. 243 divided by 3, 81. Divide by 3, 27. Divide by 3, 9. Divide by 3, 3. Divide by 3, 1. So 3 power 5. So 243, 3 power 5. 27, 3, 9. 9 divided by 3, 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. So this will be 3 power 3. All power 2n. If we have 2 power, multiply them. So this 3 power 5 multiply 3 power 6n. When we multiply, we have to add the power. So 3 power 5 plus 6n. Okay. B. K equals 2 multiply 3 power 2 multiply b power 3, where b is a prime number greater than 3. Write 6k power 2 as a product of prime factors in terms of b. So now we have 6k power 2. This means 6 multiply by 2 times 3 power 2 times b power 3 all power 2, because k power 2. We need to write as a prime factors, so we can factorize 6 as 2 multiply 3. Now for this number we have power, so we need to distribute the power. So this means 2 bar 2 multiply 3 bar 2 all bar 2 distribute the power times b bar 3 all bar 2 equals, so we can rewrite 2 multiply 3 times 2 bar 2. We can simplify, we have 2 powers, so multiply them, so this will be 3 bar 4, and we have b bar 3 all bar 2, so b bar 6. Now 2 bar 1 times 2 bar 2 equal 2 bar 3. 3 bar 1 times 3 bar 4, 3 bar 5 times b power 6. So this k 6k bar 2 in as a product to prime factors. Number 14, b, q, and r are points on a circle. St is a tangent. Write down the value of x. Give a geometric reason for your answer. So what is the value for x? X, the angle between the tangent and the chord. Tangent and chord. The angle between tangent and chord is called angle of tangency. This angle of tangency equals the circumference angle opposite to the chord from the other side. So x equal 55. So x equal 55. Because this is called alternate segment theorem. Alternate segment theorem. The angle of tangency equals the circumference angle. Because alternate segment theorem. B. Another tangent from the point S touches the circle V. Give a geometric reason why triangle SVR isosceles. Because the two tangents from the point outside the circle are equal. The two tangents, because if we draw a tangent for the circle from the point S, touch the circle at V, so the triangle VSR isosceles because the two tangents are equal. The two tangents are equal in length. Number 15a. A is a point 316, B is a point 831. Find the equation of the line that pass through A and B. Give your answer in the form y equal mx plus c. So we need to find m, y minus y over x minus x. So 16 minus 31 over 3 minus 8. Or you can start from the point, this point, so 31 minus 16 over 8 minus 3 gets the same answer.
Equal 3.
So equal 3. So m equal 3. So now the equation of the line y equal 3x plus c. Now substitute by any point. So 316. X equal 3, y equal 16. So 16 equal 3 times 3, which is 9 plus c. So c equal 16 minus 9, which is 7. So the equation of the line y equal 3x plus 7. B. The line CD has equation y equals 0.5x minus 11. Find the gradient of the line that is perpendicular to the line CD. So the gradient of the line CD 0.5. So the gradient of the perpendicular negative reciprocal. First 0.5, this means 1 over 2. So the reciprocal for 1 over 2 is negative 2. So the gradient of the perpendicular is negative 2. Number 16. Sachin picks a number at random from the first 3 multiples of 3. He then picks a number at random from the first 3 prime numbers. He adds the two numbers to find a score. complete the table. So the first three multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9. The multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, and so on. So we need the first three, so 3, 6, 9. And the first three prime numbers, 2, 3, 5. The first three prime numbers, 2, 3, 5. He adds the two numbers. So now if you add 2 plus 3 equal 5. So 2 plus 6 equal 8. And 2 plus 9 equal 11. Now 3 plus 3 equals 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. 3 plus 9, 12. 5 plus 3, 8. 5 plus 6, 11. 5 plus 9, 14. After we complete the table, given that the score is even, find the probability that one of the numbers he picks is 9. How many scores in all? We have 9 scores. We have 9 scores. From those 9 scores, how many one of them even? 8 even, 12 even, 6 even, 8, 14. So we have 5 even numbers. From these even scores, find the probability that one of the numbers he picks is 9. So he picks 9 in 12 and 14. 2 from 5. So 2 over 5. Because the rest he didn't pick 9. For example, this one, 3 and 2 and 6. For 6, 3 and 3. For 8, 5 and 3. Okay? 17. Solve the equation 5x minus 3 times 2x plus 7 equals 0. So we have two cases. 5x minus 3 equals 0, or 2x plus 7 equals 0. If 5x minus 3 equals 0, so transpose negative 3, so 5x equal 3, divide by 5, so x equal 3 over 5. Now the other one, 7 to the other side, so 2x equal negative 7, divide by 2, so x equal negative 7 over 2. So 3 over 5 and negative 7 over 2. Number 18, solve the simultaneous equation. Show your working. We have y equal x squared minus 9x plus 21. Second equation, y equal to x minus 3. We have linear and the quadratic. Start from the linear and substitute in the quadratic. So y equal to x minus 3. Now substitute in the quadratic. So 2x minus 3 equals x squared minus 9x plus 21. Transpose 2x minus 3 to the other side. So x squared. 2x go to the other side by negative. So negative 9 minus 2, negative 11. And negative 3 go to the other side by positive. So 21 plus 3, so 24 equals 0. Now solve for x, factorize. So x minus 3 and x minus 8. Or you can use your calculator to find the answer or to factorize. So x minus 3 equals 0. This means x equals 3. Or x minus 8 equals 0. So x equals 8. Now for each value of x, we need to find the value of y. So if x equals 3, y equal 2 multiplied 3 minus 3, which is 6 minus 3. So y equals 3. And if x equals 8, y equals 2 times 8, 16 minus 3, which is 13, so y equals 13. Number 19, in this Venn diagram, shade the given region. Not A union not B. Not A union not B. Now we have rule for that one. You can change to A intersect B all not. So this means not the intersection. This is the intersection. So shade all except that part. So now shade all except the intersection, because this is not the intersection. Now next one. C union D intersect not E. C union D all the region inside C or D. But I need the region intersect with not E, not included in E, not included in E. So this region only. So this one. Because I need the region in C union D which not included in E. Number 20. If x equal 2 power x minus 3, gx equal to x minus 1, hx equal 5 over x minus 4, find f6. So we need to find f6, then substitute in f. f6, put x equal 6. So 2 power 6 minus 3, this means 2 power 3, so 8. Now substitute, find f8. So 2 power 8 minus 3, this means 2 power 5 equal 32. So the answer 32. B, find g negative 1 of g. G negative 1 and g, each one of them cancels the other, because the inverse and the function cancel each other. So the answer x plus 21. X plus 21. Now C, find x when fx equal h84. We need to find h84 first. h84, this means put x equal 84. So this 5 over 84 minus 4 equals 5 over 80. In the simplest form, 1 over 16. Now equate that by fx. So fx is 2 power x minus 3 equals 1 over 16. Now to solve this equation, we can write 1 over 16, 2 power what? 16. Divide by 2 equals 8, divide by 2 equal 4, divide by 2 equal 2, divide by 2 equal 1. So 1 over 16, this means 1 over 2 power 4. So we can write as 2 power negative 4. So 2 power x minus 3 equals 2 power negative 4. So now we have the same base. So same power. So x minus 3 equals negative 4. Transpose negative 3 to the other side. So x equal negative 4 plus 3, which is negative 1. So x equals negative 1. 21, expand and simplify. X minus 3 squared times 2x plus 5. We can expand x minus 3 all squared first. X times x equals x squared. Negative 3 times negative 3, positive 9. And 2 multiply negative 3 multiply x. Or you can write negative first. And 2 multiply 3, 6. 6 times x equals 6x. Or you can expand this one by repeat the bracket. X minus 3 times x minus 3. You get the same answer. Now we need to multiply this expression by 2x plus 5. So 2x plus 5 times x squared minus 6x plus 9. 2x times x squared equal to x power 3. 2x times negative 6x, negative 12x squared. 2x times 9, 18x. 5 times x squared, 5x squared. 5 times negative 6, negative 30x. And 5 times 9, 45. Now combine the like terms. So 2x power 3, negative 12 and positive 5, so negative 7. 18 and negative 30, so negative 12. Negative 12x plus 45. 22, solve the equation 7 sine x plus 2 equals 0. Make sine x the subject, so 7 sine x equals negative 2, divide by 7, so sine x is negative 2 over 7. Now forget the negative and find sine inverse 2 over 7 from your calculator.
16.6.
16.6. Now sine positive or negative? Sine negative. In which quadrant sine negative? In the third and fourth. In the third and fourth. In the third, this means 180 plus theta. In the fourth, 360 minus theta. And theta is the acute angle. So the two solution, 180 plus 16.6 and 360 minus 16.6. So this 196.6 and the other value 43.4. 23, simplify. To simplify, this means factorize the numerator, factorize the denominator, then cancel the common factors. For the numerator, we have 4 terms, so factorize by grouping. The first two, what is the common factor for the first two? We have a 3y common, so you are left with x plus 12. For the last two, we have negative 5 common, so you are left with x plus 12. For the denominator, we have common factor, 2 common, so 2 into x squared minus 144. Now we need to complete factorization for the numerator, so we can take x plus 12 common, so you are left with 3y minus 5. And for the denominator, this difference between two square, we need to factorize, so x plus 12 and x minus 12. Now cancel the common factor, 2 x plus 12 with x plus 12, so the simplest form, 3y minus 5 over 2 into x minus 12.